Good evening, guys. This is Bafana Shababgu. I'm back with another video to show you how to set the EO9 rolling keyboard and basically doing a review, a general review of this keyboard. Um, I think most of the people, they know how to set this keyboard since it was so famous in South Africa. I'll just do a simple keyboard review. When you switch it on, this is how it displays. If you want to set your ITENDE tone, ITENDE is played with fretless bass, but because this keyboard its fretless is too soft, um, and it's not tight enough for you to play ITENDE style, so we use another tone called bass and lead. It's on 390 bass and lead. This is the tone that we use for it and the style. Okay, if you want to dual, there's dual. This keyboard is not that hard. This is a dual. If you want to dual with the tone of your voice, you just press dual, then you hold him. You hold dual, and then you go to the tone of your choice. Then the style. You can use policing or you can use brightness. Brightness is on 398. 398. Let me just show you guys. Just hold like this and then you move using your select button. You move up to 398 and then you octave. The shortcut to octave, you just come here on these tempo buttons and then you just press yes, +1. Let me just do it. Okay, to decrease your dual volume, you just press dual, and then you use these two buttons there by the volume button. The one pressed arranger. You just press it and then it will decrease. You see, it's on 70. It's on 70 now. So the volume is decreased now. So let's test it. To octave your main tone, you just press main tone and then it's either you octave negative or positive. Negative, positive, depends on you. See, so that's how to set the style on this keyboard, guys. And then for your backing, this keyboard is actually good also for backing. You can octave, you can dual, you can octave your main tone, and you can octave your dual tone as well. So the tones to use for a backing, it's various tones, guys. This keyboard is loaded, so you can use any kind of tone of your choice. You know, for example, your strings, just say 219, and then So you can jewel it as well. You can also octave a jewel, either positive or negative, depends on you. And our piano, it's also good for piano. This keyboard is good for piano and for second keys as well. You can play second keys, and you can also play your piano. It has got so many various piano tones, from number one. um Let me just play a small bar, just a simple bar. Hear that? Then piano number two, this is how it sounds. Number four, you see, you can choose any kind of tone that you want. um this keyboard has got, let's check it. It has got um 26 different piano sounds, 26 different piano tones. So you can choose any of your choice. And then the organs as well, category of organs. There's so many organs that you can play with. And moving to your guitar and your bass, um there's just a lot more. There's just a lot more, guys, that you can play with. Your strings as well, all the way up to your drums. So this keyboard is, it's versatile. It can accommodate any kind of style, whether you play whether gospel, jazz, or R&B, or whatever that you want to play. So this keyboard is, it's good, guys. It's good. It's very good. So yeah, that's it, guys, for this keyboard.